This is actually incredible to me. Just 3 months ago I only had 300 subscribers, and now I'm already at 1,000. I've been watching other YouTubers for so long, and since I was 10 years old, it's been a dream of mine to run a successful YouTube channel, and I think I can finally say that I've achieved that dream. I adore cartoons and know way too much about them, so this channel is a great way for me to express my love and share what I know. I'm beyond happy so many people are enjoying watching my content because I really love making it. Through my time making videos so far, I've realized I really like making analytical, theory, and essay videos. Those types of videos are just more unique than traditional reviews, and people seem to like watching them. So going forward, you can expect more timely content like that. Though I still want this channel to be focused on variety. One day I'll be talking about mystery schools, but the next day I'll be talking about, I don't know, Chalk Zone or something. I like the idea of introducing viewers to shows they may not know about, and teaching people who have watched those shows things they may not know. One last thing is that, well, I can apply to be a YouTube partner now. Back when they changed the application rules, I was so upset that I'd never be able to reach their crazy goal, but it's happened. So my videos may have ads in the future, but I'll also have access to a lot of cool interactive tools like the community features. So thank you guys so much for helping me reach this milestone, and thank you even more for enjoying my videos. I hope you'll continue to enjoy them. Thanks for watching!